Math ones, so I know that this problem looks rather difficult, and I know that when we talked about the other one in class that we already completed, which is this one here, that I told you guys I was going to send something out about this one. So here goes nothing. I'm going to kind of just do it step by step and explain real quickly what we're looking at here. So here's our problem, negative 2x plus 4 equals x plus 7. And let me just show you how they're breaking down our little blocks here. So these kind of shaded in blocks right there, that's representing of your negative 2x. All right, and then let's pick a different color. These 4 blocks right here, that's going to be representative of your 4, your positive 4. Okay, because we do have some positive numbers. I think this is confusing, but this is actually just the equal sign. So just kind of like pretend that it's there, but it's like, not part of the problem. This block right here is going to represent your positive x. That's on the other side of your equals. And then these 7 blocks are going to be like those 4 blocks on the other side. It's going to represent your positive 7. Okay, oops, I should highlight that in red, shouldn't we? There we go. Okay, and that's your positive 7. So far between just breaking it up from here to here, this person has done so correctly. Okay, now we're going to I want to re-highlight some things, right? These are our negative blocks. These are our positive blocks. And then these are our ones, okay? Representing our whole numbers without an x, or constants, okay? So from here to here, it looks like they are subtracting an x from this side in order to move our x's onto the same side. So they're doing the same thing over here, although it looks kind of confusing. You can tell that they're subtracting an x because they add another negative x. So this would be negative 3x now. So technically that step is correct. Or not technically, that step is correct. All right. Let's just re-highlight again. So here's our negative 3x here. This was our plus 4 and our plus 7. Okay. So from here to here, okay, it looks like they're subtracting 4 blocks from this side, indicating by them crossing it out, and they're also subtracting 4 blocks from this side. So if I'm doing the same thing to both sides of the equation, and I'm kind of leaving my x's alone right now, that's a correct step. Okay, here's where I think it gets a little bit vague-ish. Okay, is that I've got this negative 3x, which we've got by subtracting the 4. So I've got this negative 3x being equal to this positive 3 over here. Okay, what this step from here to here is indicating is that one of these blocks is equal to one of these blocks, which, if I'm looking at my equals, right, each connects to another one on the other side, which means they have to divide into each other evenly. So this is actually a correct step as well. And again, it's kind of confusing, but you guys, you've got it. You're working it out perfectly. So from here to here, I've just divided both sides by negative 1. All right, which is good, and that's how I'm getting that x equals negative 1. And we can plug it back in just to check, because it looks like they've done everything correctly. All right, negative 2 times negative 1 is going to give me a positive 2 plus 4, and negative 1 plus 7 gives me 6. 2 plus 4 gives me 6. So it looks like in our box here, we can put they did it correctly. Oops. All right. So easier than we thought it was going to be. But there's that problem right there. I think it's the second one that's on your homework set. I'm going to post this video, and if you have any questions after this video is posted, please send me an email and we can talk about it later. All right, remember that your homework, if you're 7th period, your homework is due tomorrow, Wednesday, and if you are 4th period, your homework is due Thursday. All right, have a good day.